Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the focus mode on your Xiaomi phone so you can silence the notifications from certain apps and you can schedule it out when you actually want to see this. So a lot of times you're probably going to be having an issue with like Facebook or Instagram or something like that. So we can just choose Facebook and then we can set a schedule. So maybe we don't want to see this in the evening or something like that, so we can go to 6 p.m. to like 9 p.m. or something like that when I'm doing my homework or something. And then we can just set it Monday through Friday, and on the weekends it would be fine. So it's going to automatically pause the notifications that pop up during this specific time. So it's actually pretty cool. So you can turn on now, and you can just test it out right now. Now to get here, you want to go to the top right, and go to Settings. And when you're under Settings, go down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Go down to Focus. And then you can see it right here. So I got my schedule. So just select the apps and then set the time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.